Another guest of honor for today, Dr. Dhananjay Kumar, Islamic University, Bangladesh. Sir, please take him on board. Professor D.P. Gupta, the Honorable Dean, Faculty of Commerce, please come on the dais. Our registrar, sir, he has probably not yet come. May I now invite you, sir, Professor H.K. Singh, the head of the department and organizing secretary of this international conference. And the editor is the head, Professor H.K. Singh.